Today we are going to try using dry ice to clean the grease buildup in the restaurant kitchen chimney. Let's see how it works. Dry ice cleaning for restaurant kitchen chimneys is an efficient and environmentally friendly option. The principle behind dry ice cleaning involves blasting dry ice pellets which rapidly freeze grease and dirt. As the pellets vaporize, they dislodge the grime from the surface. One key advantage of dry ice is that it sublimates into gas upon contact, leaving no residue, which eliminates the need for additional cleanup after the process. This method is particularly effective against grease, allowing for a thorough cleaning of kitchen chimneys while reducing the use of chemical cleaners, thereby minimizing harm to both the environment and workers. Additionally, it reduces downtime associated with traditional cleaning methods, as dry ice cleaning is both fast and highly efficient. After cleaning, you can closely observe the results. You will typically see the grease completely removed, leaving the surface clean and shiny. Hopefully, this dry ice cleaning will deliver the desired outcome.